transfer. ठीक है, we have discussed two modes of transfer. We have already discussed. Okay, this is third mode of data transfer. That is very important. Direct memory access. That means memory is directly accessed in this type of transfer method between a fast storage device that can be disk, okay, or any other input output device, and memory is often limited by speed of CPU. Removing the CPU from the equation can significantly improve the speed of data transfer. That means DMA speed up the data transfer process between the memory and input output device. So this transfer technique is called direct memory access. DMA is a feature that allows input output interface. अब input output device के साथ उसका क्या होगा? Interface. Okay. So जो DMA है that allows input output interface to transfer data directly into or out of memory independent of CPU. So what happens in programmed input output and interrupt driven input output? प्रोग्राम्ड इनपुट आउटपुट मेथड में हमने किया था कि सीपीयू को हर टाइम चेक करना पड़ता है स्टेटस इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस का कि कब वो रेडी है डेटा ट्रांसफर के लिए. ठीक है. इंटरप्ट ड्रिवन में क्या था? दैट इंटरप्ट जनरेट होगी जो कि इन्फॉर्म करेगी सीपीयू को कि अब इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस रेडी है डेटा ट्रांसफर के लिए. ठीक है. इसमें जो वे ऑफ डेटा ट्रांसफर था इन इंटरप्ट ड्रिवन इनपुट आउटपुट मेथड, इट वाज इंटरप्ट. Okay, so CPU is being kept busy all the time. Okay, here it is a CPU, it is a memory, it is an input output device. The communication between input output device or memory is going through the CPU. Okay, but what happens in DMA? CPU is not there. Okay, so in DMA there is memory, there is input output, and along with input output device there is a DMA controller. DMA controller is a hardware circuit that is responsible to control the direct memory access process. Okay. So all the data transfer process between input output device and memory will be done through the help of DMA controller, and the data transfer take place through the common bus, the bus that is shared between the memory and input output device. The CPU is idle here, it is not doing anything. Okay. This is DMA. In DMA, the CPU is involved only in the beginning and end of transfer. Okay, तो उसका end में क्या use है? ठीक है. The CPU initiates the transfer by supplying the interface with the starting address. ठीक है, and the number of words needed to be transferred. कितना data को transfer करना है, that is also initiated by the CPU. In the end, the CPU is notified that the transfer is complete. एक इंटरप्ट जनरेट होती है जिसके थ्रू सीपीयू को इन्फॉर्म किया जाता है कि जो डेटा ट्रांसफर प्रोसेस है दैट हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड. CPU bus signals for DMA transfer. Okay. Now what is A bus means address bus, D bus means data bus, RD means read, and WR means write. Okay. BG is what? Bus grant. BR means bus request. It's already written here. BR is bus request used by DMA जो D to request the CPU to relinquish control of the buses. रिलीज करने के लिए. Bus grant क्या होगा? It is used by CPU to intimate the DMA controller that buses are in high impedance state. मतलब bus arbitration and DMA. Okay. Now what is bus arbitration? BR and BG are used by CPU and DMA controller to coordinate the use of buses. Okay. The one CPU or DMA controller, मतलब दोनों में से एक, CPU, either CPU or DMA controller, they use the buses to transfer the data in or out of memory. It is called the bus master. Okay. So bus master क्या करेगा? It initiate the transfer. The other participant in the transfer is a slave. That means one is bus master and one is bus slave. Okay. So through bus arbitration mechanism, we can have two bus masters. DMA controller is the bus master. Okay. That means when DMA is having the control of the buses, then what is done? There are two ways the DMA controller can communicate with the memory for data transfer. First is burst transfer, second is cycle stealing. Burst transfer में क्या होगा? A block sequence consisting of number of memory words. Number is transferred in case of fast devices where data transmission cannot be stopped or slowed down until an entire block is transferred. Burst transfer में क्या होता है? Block of data transfer होता है. ये required the fast operation. Okay. Cycle stealing में क्या होगा? It allows DMA controller to transfer one word at a time. एक time after which जो कंट्रोल है बस इसका वो वापस से सीपीयू को देना पड़ेगा. So it will be the time consuming process. टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है इसलिए ये क्या होगा? स्लो प्रोसेस होगा. ओके क्योंकि हर बार क्या हो रहा है? डीएमए कंट्रोलर एक वर्ड को ट्रांसफर करने के बाद बस इसका कंट्रोल वापस कर रही है सीपीयू को. दोबारा से फिर बस रिक्वेस्ट जाएगी, फिर बस का सिग्नल आएगा, उसके बाद फिर से नेक्स्ट वर्ड को ट्रांसफर करने के लिए ठीक है नेक्स्ट सिग्नल चाहिए. सो दिस इज अ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस. ओके